that's not three years old. Can you see that?
Yeah. Wow. Well done, Alex. Yeah, I've got a little video and I've got
See this line here? They call that the lateral line. All fish have got it, so if you bang on here, that's where it feels it. So it's like a bit like it is. But it's a real nice fish. Well done.
Well done.